As you need nourishment, your soul needs nourishment. And when you contact that omnipresence that is everywhere and in everything, that's the God that we are talking. You get nourished. Your soul receives energy. And it is that energy that meets your needs. What are your needs? Simple needs, let's say, physical healing. Prayer really heals you. I have seen them. I have seen many occasions that they were healed by prayer. Group prayer or individual prayer. Because what happens? When you are praying, you are fusing yourself with a source of energy. A source of intelligent energy. And when this energy is coming to your system, it's harmonizing, integrating all your system. And that's what the health is. Lead us, O Lord.
Lead us, O Lord.
From darkness to light.
From darkness to light.
From the unreal to the real.
From the unreal to the real.
From death to immortality.
From death to immortality.
From chaos to beauty.
From chaos to beauty.
Let vision come and insight.
Let vision come and insight.
Let the future stand revealed.
Let the future stand revealed.
Let inner union demonstrate.
Let inner union demonstrate.
Outer cleavages be gone.
Outer cleavages be gone.
Let love prevail.
Let love prevail.
Let all men love.